Welcome back today. It's me, Beto G, the beat maker. I'm back today with another beat. I'm going to be making Notre Dame trap beat today. That is, the title is Notre Cathedral trap beat today. That's the beat I'm going to be making today. That's the beat I'm going to be making today. Notre Cathedral Dame beat today. That's the title. I'm just going to launch my FL Studio properly and start making my Notre Dame Cathedral trap beat. Now I'm going to put my cursor like this, right click and just press open. Now my FL Studio is loading. Very soon it will open. Then I will start making my Notre Dame Cathedral trap beat. Now my FL Studio is loading. It's loading. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Turn on your notification bell below so that anytime I drop new videos, you will get notified. Now I'm going to click this is add here. I'm going to click on add and click citrus. I'm going to right click. I'm going to just right click and hold it, turn the mouse wheel to channel 5, then click on this icon and click on preset. Now I'm going to pick this blocking chord clavi to start making my Notre Dame Cathedral trap beat. I'm going to start making my Notre Dame Cathedral trap beat. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Turn on your notification bell below so that anytime I drop new videos, you will get notified. I'm going to pick another preset. I'm going to click on this icon, click on preset, and pick this plugin called Deep. Good. I'm going to use this one to start programming my Notre Dame Cathedral trap beat. I'm going to right click and press piano roll. Now this is how I'm going to start programming my Notre Dame Cathedral trap beat like this. I'm going to right click and hold it, highlight to the left, and press Ctrl and B to copy that to bars number 8. I'm going to click on this add again and pick another plugin. This is add. Sorry for the malfunctioning on my computer, but this is add. I'm going to pick another plugin called Blue Bars to program the bass melodies. I'm going to right click and turn the mouse wheel up channel 6. I'm going to right click and press piano roll. Now I'm going to turn my boba side up for my Notre Dame Cathedral trap beat. Then on my first melody, I'm going to click on slot 1 and click and add a flute parametric key 2. On slot 2, I'm going to click on slot 2 and add a flute multi-band compressor. Then on my boobas, I'm going to click on slot 1 and add the sound womanizer. Then on my slot 2, I'm going to click on slot 2 and add the flute multi-band compressor. I'm going to bring down the boobas and take my melody right up. Then I'm going to right click and press piano roll. So I'm going to program my hi-hat for my Notre Cathedral beat. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe. Then I'm going to left click, highlight to the left and press Ctrl and B. I'm going to turn on my hi-hat on slot 1. I'm going to click on slot 1 and add a sound organizer. Then on my snare, I'm going to right click and press piano roll. After each bar, I'm going to drop the snare. I'm going to turn up my snare on slot 1 here. I'm going to add a sound organizer. This is my kick here. I'm going to left click and hold it and drop it on channel 1. I'm going to right click and press piano roll. This is how I'm programming my kick for my Notre Cathedral beat like this. I'm going to click on my kick here and click on this icon here, and then I'm going to turn the bow knob right up. This is the main source. Where you have written part 1 on my screen, I'm going to right click and click here split by chaining. I've already split everything by chaining. Now I'm just going to click on my kick and drop it into my playlist. Click on my hi-hat, drop it into my playlist like this. Click on my snare and drop it into my playlist. Click on my first melody, drop it into my playlist. Click on my boom bass and drop it into my playlist. That's it. Then I'm going to left click and hold it, highlight to the left and press Ctrl and B. Then I'm going to click here and remove this one. Then I'm going to allow this first melody and second melody. I'm going to highlight to the left and press Ctrl and B. Then on my first melody, I'm going to click here. I'm going to remove the hi-hat here. I'm going to remove the snare here. On my first melody, I'm going to right click and create automation clip. My last melody, I'm going to right click and create automation clip. Then I'm going to click here. On the ending of my intro, I'm going to allow an hi-hat here and here. At the starting point of my outro, I'm going to allow on the hi-hat here. you for watching how to make Notre Dame Cathedral trap beat. Now let's listen to my Notre Dame Cathedral trap beat from the start to the end. Let's go. Thank you so much for watching how to make Notre Dame Cathedral trap beat. Now, don't forget to subscribe. Make sure you turn on the notification bell below so that anytime I drop new videos, you will get notified. And don't forget to subscribe.